Hello guys, good morning and welcome to Haval H6 HEV. If you are looking at the display, it's the default display when you buy Haval, and you can see that there are two widgets, this one and this one, and you can change by pressing up and down arrow keys each widget display. For example, right now I have to press left or right arrow keys to select the widget. When the widget is selected, you can see that you see a line over there underneath the widget, and I've pressed the forward arrow key, left arrow key. This line goes to the next widget. So when that widget is selected, you can press and up and down to change the display for that widget. Normally these settings are present in each widget, and if I go back to by pressing the right arrow key, I can change the right widget settings. Sometimes you don't see the center widget. It is not there. It is replaced by lane assist system, and the setting widget was not displayed because then it will be reserved for the lane assist system if the lane assist function is turned on. So that widget will be gone. So how we can turn on the lane assist system and how we can get this widget. So today's discussion or settings are about this widget, the center area. So let me go to the main home screen on the panel. How to set up this area or these widgets I have already explained in my previous videos. So just click on this intelligent and you will taken to the intelligent driving. So in this intelligent driving you can set various functions, and the beauty of this thing or the Haval is that this is already expanded. For example, you can click on this arrow to expand. So whenever you have expanded and you comes from the widget, it will stay expanded. So over here actually you can, I don't want to go to front assist system, I need to go to the lane assist system, and this area will stay expanded. So whenever you go to the front end and you come from this button, push that button and you will immediately taken to the lane assist system. So over here, if I turn on this lane assist function, you can see that the center widget has been gone and replaced by the lane assist system. In this, the emergency lane keeping, you can also turn it on, and when you turn it on, you will see that while you are driving, this Haval will perform steering interventions. You can see the help or help text over here as well for the emergency lane keeping. Yeah, it will maneuver your steering as well. So you cannot leave the lanes like you do in normal driving. Haval will assist you to keep the lane. But when you turn off this emergency lane, then you can easily change lanes even without giving indicator. But when the emergency lane keeping function is on, then Haval will try to keep you in the lane unless you give an indicator, and then you can change the lane. And in the center area, the lane assist radar will allow you to see upcoming vehicles and all the lane markings, and it can also apply emergency braking and all other stuff. So this area will be replaced when the lane assist system is turned on and the widget will be gone from that area. I hope you can easily turn on the lane assist system using this way I mentioned. Just go to the home and you have already set up the eco. Just click on the intelligent driving and you can just turn off. And just turning off the lane function will not get you the widget back. You have to turn off the emergency lane keep assist function as well over here. So once you do that, then the widget will be back. So this tip or the information will be quite helpful for you to easily turn on the lane assist systems. Just go over there and you can turn on. That's it. So just 2 clicks and that's it. If you're looking for more videos, keep watching my channel and subscribe. Thank you.